Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your EVS subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 8, directions. Now what is direction? Direction means you have listened, you have heard like that when we ask when we ask any questions regarding any address. See, yes, regarding any address, the person who tells us please go right, please go left, please take turn from here, right, means telling direction where we can reach our destination, right. Now before starting to our lesson, they have given your small warm up. Have you ever observed the position of the sun in the sky in the morning? Yes. What is the position of the sun in the morning? It comes from east. Sun rises from the east. Does its position remain same throughout the day? No. Slowly it comes up. Yes. And in the evening it sunset in the west. So does its position remain same throughout the day? No. Now directions help us find our way. We use the terms right, left, behind, in front of, forward, backward, up and down. These are all directions, right, to find our way. To indicate directions. These are all direction. Yes, just now I only told you that if we ask any person any address, he or she will tell us that you have to go for straight, then you have to go right, then you have to take left, right. This indicates the direction. These are also called relative directions. This direction is called relative directions. These directions are called relative directions. There is a set of directions called cardinal directions. Now we are going to see what are cardinal directions, which is the same for all of us regardless of our position. This direction remain same for each and everyone, only it depends on the position regardless of our position. Cardinal directions. Now what are the cardinal directions? See here. Stand facing the rising sun with your hands stretched. Now see here, this girl is standing straight and facing the sun. You can see here sun is there. Yes, facing the sun and her hands are stretched, right. You are facing the east means you are facing the east. Just now only I told you the sun rises from the east. Yes, see her face is also on the east direction. Behind you is the west. Behind this girl is west. Your left hand points to the north. This is her left hand and it points to the north. Your right hand points to the south and the right hand points to the south. These are cardinal directions. North, south, east, west are called the four cardinal directions. North, south, east and west are called the four cardinal directions. What are the relative directions? Up, down, left, right, forward, backward. These are relative direction. And what are the cardinal directions? North, south, east and west. Now see here, long ago people located the directions looking at the rising sun. First what people were doing, they were seeing the position of the sun. By looking at the sun, they were going to the direction and they were long ago people located the directions looking at the rising sun. Long ago means long years back. First what they were using, sun means sun is rising from the east, yes, and sun set in the west. According to sun they are finding their directions. Today we use a compass to find our direction. See, you can see here the picture of compass. Nowadays all are using this compass to find the direction. Means where we are standing, where is the house, yes, what are the directions of the house, which corner is east, which corner is west, right, using this compass. The sun seems to change its position from time to time. Sun always change its position from time to time. Yes, in the morning the sun is seen in the east. In the morning where we can see the sun in the east. Then by noon means in the afternoon we see the sun overhead. In the evening The sun is to the west. Sunset in the west. Now, what this little scientist is saying, nowadays we use GPS. GPS means global positioning system. Global positioning system. To locate positions anywhere on the earth. It works by sending and receiving signals to and from a satellite. All these GPS nowadays it is in our phone also, cell phone, in your mobile phone. So, if you want to go somewhere, we can go through GPS. Okay, students, see this type of arrow also comes in the GPS. It gives signals and it tells also that we are going right or wrong. Okay, what is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. And this is the picture of compass. Nowadays we use this to find out the direction. Now, I hope you all have understood what are directions. Directions, in their directions, two directions are there. One is relative directions and other is cardinal direction. In relative directions we use words like left, right, forward, backward, up, down, and cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. Now students, we are going to evaluate the lesson. First A question is fill in the blanks. The sun appears to rise in the east. Sailors use a dash to find directions at sea, compass. Then third one is at dash the sun is overhead. When is on our head? It is when is the sun is overhead? In the afternoon, or you can write noon also. Okay, write the four cardinal directions. Now what are the four cardinal directions? North, south, east and west are the four cardinal directions. Now answer in one or two words. In which direction is the sun in the evening? West. If you are facing the rising sun, the direction shown by your right hand is? Your right hand is? South. Answer in a sentence. This question answer I am going to give you in your notebook. Okay students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. So we are going to meet in the next lecture. Okay students, bye everyone. Take care. Thank you.